Now let's go to the products. This is the oil. And this is the coffee. We finished the face scrub. We finished our face. So now we're gonna go to the hair oil. Don't forget to like. So we finished the face. So you start with the, as I said, those who are not here, I'm doing demonstration of how to use the product. Oh my goodness, my face feels so good. I do this 3 times in a week. 3 times in a week, I do this. I do this face thing 3 times in a week. So thank you guys for seeing how I use the soap, the face scrub, and the body cream, and the face body, whatever it is. All together, I use it on my face. So now I'm done. So let's go into the hair products. So the hair products, I'm going to divide my hair. As I said, my hair is very thick. I'm just going to do one side to show you guys. My hair is too thick, so I don't want to put too much in, because the product is very, very strong. It grows your hair so much. So I'm just going to put my tie. I'm going to demonstrate on how to use the hair product. So you guys will know. We finished the face cream. So I'm just going to do here. So what you're going to do is you're going to use the coffee. Let me bring the camera closer. Okay. So you're going to use the coffee. You're going to use the coffee. Please put in your order whilst you are watching, because I'm showing you guys how to do it. Make sure the coffee is not hot. This is just lukewarm. My hair is so thick, but I need to demonstrate to show you guys. I haven't used this for a week now, because I want to go and fix the under. It's too thick. So I'll show you guys how to use the coffee first. So what you do is you apply it under your scalp. You just apply it under your scalp. So you go ahead and apply it, and you can, whilst you're applying, you are massaging it. So you put it under your scalp. Under your scalp, just massage it. I'll just show you guys just here. So you put it under your scalp, and then you give it a good massage. So you massage it. As I said, I have a massage tool. So you just put your hand and massage it. When we massage, it circulates our blood. And it kills dandruff. That's why you see my hair. I don't normally wash my hair. The coffee smells so good. And it's really, really improved dandruff. It kills dandruff so fast. So my hair is very, very clean. With no dandruff. Thanks to Chesma Self-Care products. The hair product I'm using. So after you give it a good massage, you can even put some in your hair. I will show you guys. You can just apply it in your hair if you want. You can apply it all over your hair. If you want, you can apply it in your hair. All over your hair. But because you want your hair to grow, so I would like you to focus under your scalp. And then when you are massaging, you can go in and out, in and out. So this is my natural hair. This is my dread. You can see I put it on my edges. And then you give it a good massage. Because when you put it in your hair, it comes. So whatever is in your hand, you just put it under your scalp. And then you just massage it under your edges. If you are struggling to grow your edges, this is Chesma Self-Care product. So you give it a good massage. So after you apply the coffee, then you use the oil. The oil, you don't want to use too much. So what I do is I put it on my fingertip, like that. And then I go under my scalp. I put it on my edges first. You put the oil under your edges. Just put it under your hand. And then it goes under your hair. Or you can use the bottle squeezer. You can use the bottle and just apply it. And then you give it a good massage. A little bit go further. So don't use too much. You just use small. If you don't want to use the coffee, you can buy the oil and use it. But if you braid your hair and you want your hair to grow faster, please use the two of them together. Especially the coffee. The coffee will grow your hair so fast. And this one will treat your hair from breaking. It will grow your hair and keep your natural hair beautiful and strong. And it will keep it black. Okay? Smells so nice. So this is all. Yeah, after that you give it a good massage. As I said, when you use your finger hurts my shoulder. So I have the massage tool that I will help you in a package for you to use it. So this is how you apply. And then after you finish, you can see the difference. If you look here, and look here. It's two different. Here, look at the hair here. I want you to look it carefully. And then look here. You can see that here is different, very different from here. So that's how you apply the hair product in your scalp. That's how you apply it. All the demonstrating we are doing today, what you have seen. If you like the product, please contact me and get your self-care products. Get your self-care products. So thank you guys. I've done the demonstration for you guys to know how to apply the hair growth oil and the coffee, and also how to use the face soap and the face scrub, and then the body or the face cream. $30, that's the body cream. $40, and then the big one is $50. And then we have the hair growth products. This together is $50. If you want in a package, it's $90. It's including posting fee. And then we have the face scrub. So I've done demonstration for you guys to see how to use it, okay? And then we have the soap. And then as I said, the soap, if you want a bigger one, like custom made, I'm happy to give you a bigger soap of custom made. This is for me and my family to use. So I made it here for us to use. So with understanding, I know you've get it now. So if you're happy of what you've seen, of how I've shown you guys how to apply it, get your trimming soap, get your black soap, get your trimming mix, and then get your carrot and rice starch and milk soap. And more ideas is coming. Oh, I feel like I want to sleep, guys. I really, all the thing I've done, I feel like I want to sleep. I want to sleep bad way. It's so nice. Oh my goodness. Especially the face scrub. Oh, so beautiful. So beautiful. All right, guys, let me hold my hair. Oh, my hair has grown so much. It's so painful. I need to go and fix it. All right, guys, so this is what I want to show you guys how to use the product. Those who just came, please, when the video ends, just watch the video from beginning. Share it to others. Buy it as a surprise for somebody. You can buy it as a present for somebody and they will say thank you. So Chesma Self-Care products. I have the body cream. I have the hair growth products. I have the face and the body scrub. And then I have the soap. So this is all I have. I have the soap here. If you want me to do new, if you want to order custom made, as I said, I have a beautiful customer. She's watching me right now. And she wants a custom made. Yes, she wants a custom made of the body cream. So I'm going to do it for her from now to Monday. It will be ready. So if you are looking for custom made, the body soap and the body cream, I'm happy to do. As I said, I've shown you guys the custom made of the soap. Very, very big. And also, because you can use it for your family and yourself. And then the body cream, I can also do custom made. Custom made is very special, especially when you have problem with your skin. You tell me, and then I will make it very, very nice for you to use, and you will know that it will work for you. So I'm about to end my video. Please don't forget to share this video on your page. Don't forget to comment, like. You can buy it and surprise somebody. As I said, after I put the thing on my face, I feel like sleeping. It makes my face so smooth. It's so nice. So you can combine the face scrub together. The coffee, the carrots, and the turmeric. You can put them together. That's what I put it in there. I have the 3 together. And then I use it on my face. And it's so amazing. I feel... Why don't want to sell to me? I didn't say I don't want to sell it to you. I didn't say I don't want to sell it to you. Please. I want my business to go far. I want people to know this business because it's a very good product. I'm happy to post it to you. I'm happy to drive it to your house, but you pay extra. It's not expensive anyway. Extra is not even expensive. So just tell me what you want and I can do that for you. All right, guys, so I'm not going to leave you. I want you to buy it, okay? Please share. So just inbox me what you need and I'll give you the price and then I can drop it to you if you want. So guys, share this page. May God bless you. Thank you for your time. As I said, I have the black soap. It's good to know what you are buying from somebody. This is black soap made from me. Very, very, very homemade, scratch from the scratch. I made it myself. I didn't go to the shop and buy black soap. No, I made it from scratch. So it's good to know what somebody is putting, especially when your own self, friend or wife is selling something. Please, let's support. This is a very good business. I have a customer that she said, oh, I hope you're not going to stop because when people stop like this, then when they start and then they stop. I said the only time I will stop is when it's not going at all, when people are not interested. I will stop selling it, but I will not stop from doing it for my family to use. So this is natural. This cream, it has no bleaching. If you are looking for bleaching cream, please, I don't sell bleaching cream. I repeat, if you are looking for bleaching cream, I don't sell bleaching cream. If you want bleaching cream, you can go to the African shop, you will get it. But this is natural organic body cream. It will glow your skin. Oh, I want to sleep, guys. This thing feels so good. The face scrub, what I did. Oh, if you do it like this, you will see a result. I tell you, I feel so relieved. I want to sleep right now. This is natural. It has no bleaching. If you want bleaching cream, please go to the shop and go buy it. When you have a baby, fresh baby can use. It has no side effect. It will glow and tone your skin and keep your natural skin from any damage. So this is very good for family, very good present for somebody. And also if you have bleached your skin and you want to go back, I have a customer, she said, Rita, I don't want to use bleaching cream anymore. I went to her house, she said she don't want to use bleaching cream anymore. So I told her, I said, look, I will advise you. This cream, it will take you back to your natural color. It will take you back to your natural color. And then it will tone your skin back. It will tone and keep your skin glow. So all that black spot on your hand there, it will take you back to your skin and then it will start to work on your body. That is what the body cream does. That's why you saw me packaging a customer owned in Queensland. She bought a lot. She bought 5 turmeric. She bought 2 of the big cream. And she bought 2 of the $35 one. And I went and posted it to you. And then I also download a video. I don't have to show you guys any evidence, but I want you guys to trust the business that Just My Self Care is selling to you guys. That's why I keep updating you guys with feedback from customers, with voicemails from customers, with anything I can do to promote this business. Because I did everything with my heart. And I want you guys to know how to use this. That's why I demonstrate to you guys. So as I said, I'm going to end the video right now. The hair product package is $90. But if you want the coffee by itself, it's $25. If you want the oil by itself, it's $25. But if you want the coffee and the oil together, it's $50. The body cream is $50. This is $40. This is $35. This is $20. I have $30 of the scrap. I've done a big one. So I have this, that is the scrap. If you want a big one, I've done a big one like this. Because the body cream, I only have 2. The small one, I only have this. So the can that is left, the container, I've used it for scrap. So if you want bigger scrap, not the $20 one, but the 30, I have it like this in there. So I have the turmeric scrap, coffee scrap, and I have the carrot scrap. And then I have the black soap, I have turmeric mix, I have carrot, rice, and milk, and then I have the turmeric soap itself. So this is all I have. Thank you guys so much for your support. May God bless you. I'm gonna end my video.